Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Hope you guys are doing well. Well, as I started to get ready to take some time aside and do my car, I had decided I wanted to cheap out and just blend in the color and re-clear the hood and just spot buff a couple things here and there and try to save the roof. Roger already saw this post on my Instagram, so he knows what's going on. I was coming home a few days ago from my girlfriend's house, and I started hearing this slapping sound, and I couldn't tell what it was at first, so I turned off the radio, and then I started really hearing it. And once I got off the freeway, I pulled off on the side of the road, and I realized that the rain had loosened up the glue, and I guess from just years of being on the car, just deteriorated the canvas top. And a whole sheet of this, at some point, I don't know when, it just flew off. And now my car looks like an old man who lost his toupee. Isn't that ridiculous? So that changes my plans. I looked up what it would cost to replace this canvas top, and it's like $800 minus shipping. So I'm not willing to do that. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to the game plan I had originally wanted. Little by little, when I come home from work, I'm gonna start taking apart pieces of the car. I'm gonna block out everything. I'm gonna do the body work that needs to be done to this rear door here. So I'll get that straightened out. I'm gonna rip off this canvas top and do away with that completely. See if I can get a buddy of mine to come down and zap some holes shut for me. And then I'll get all of this removed. Lock it down, prime what I need to prime, and I'm just gonna paint this thing black. I figure if I'm gonna do all this work to it, I might as well paint it a color that I'm gonna be happy with. So I'll be able to squeeze out some videos on this thing. And it'll be nice to do something for myself for once. Not too bad. There really isn't much work that has to be done. It's just an old tire and paint job, really. And once this rain goes away, I'll be able to come out and actually spend some time with it, but right now I'm really just concentrating on the office work right now. That's where I am with that. Unbelievable. I was mad for about a minute, and then kind of is what it is. But it was already getting worn and tattered anyways, so I guess this is for the best. Well, that's all I got to report for now. Once I get to work on this thing, I'll actually throw some videos together and we'll make some stuff happen. Alright guys, for all my social media, links are down below. Facebook is temporarily disabled right now, so it's just Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, all that stuff. Connect with me if you'd like to. My email should be down there as well. Alright guys, take care, stay safe. I'll catch you in the next one.